Hey everyone, my name is Forrest Sauer with Red Pine Coffee Company, and I thought I'd shoot a quick video to show you how to make a pour over. Now there's a lot of confusion on people on how to make a pour over. There's a lot of, things to do, a lot of things not to do. It's often associated with people who are snobs, coffee snobs, that kind of thing. I just want to put that all to rest. Now if you go on the internet and you're like, okay, what's the ratio? What's the right ratio between like how much water to how much grounds? And you'll find grams. And if it's been 15 years since you've taken your last chemistry class like I have, you have no idea what the heck a gram is, or much less want to figure it out. So it translates roughly to this: 4.5 tablespoons of whole beans, you grind the beans obviously, to 2 cups of hot boiling water. Now you have the paper filter and you have your funnel right here. Now you want to make certain that you go ahead and just wet down this filter ahead of time. It gets rid of a lot of the paper taste that some of the filter might have. So you just go ahead, dunk that in some water, soaks it all down, gets rid of the paper flavoring. Put that in your funnel. You go ahead and you're going to put it in a cup, and I have 4.5 tablespoons of coffee grounds right here. And what you're going to do is you're just going to take those coffee grounds, you're going to put them in your funnel, just like this. And now what you want to do is you want to take your hot boiling water right here. You can see this is settling farther and farther into the snowbank. But you just take your boiling water and you just slowly pour it out into the funnel. And you want to have it a nice continual pour for the entire 2 cups of hot water. And then once you reach all the way to your full cup, you can see that we're just doing nice, and it's nothing fancy, something super simple. You can do this at home. And you don't have to go to one of those fancy hippy dippy coffee shops to get your nice pour over. I hope this helps, guys. Again, Red Pine Coffee Company. My name's Forrest Sauer. I'll talk to you guys soon.